Hi boys and girls, today I'm going to teach you time to the 5 minutes. If you remember, I taught time to the hour and to the half hour. So today we're going to learn what all these other numbers in the clock mean. So if you remember, the hour hand is the small hand or the short hand, and the minute hand is the big hand or the long hand. So I am going to draw the hour hand here, and I'm going to draw the minute hand here. Uh-oh, what does the 7 mean? I know what hour it is. If you remember, when the hour hand is pointing between two numbers, we always choose the smaller number. So the smaller number between 1 and 2 would be 1. So I know that my hour is 1 o'clock. Or 1 so far. But what does the 7 mean? Each one of the numbers on the clock equals a certain time of minutes. So for example, the 1, I don't know what minute that is. It's really easy. All you have to do is count by 5s. The 1 equals 5 minutes. The 2 is 10 minutes. The 3 is 15 minutes. 4 is 20, 5 is 25, we know that 6 is 30, 7 is 35, 8 is 40, 9 is 45, 10 is 50, 11 is 55, and 12 is 60, but we don't write 60, we write 0, 0. Well, now let's figure out what the minutes are. We know that the hour is 1, but let's see what the minutes are for 7. So we count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. The time on my clock right now is 1:35. Let's practice some more. Let's make the hour hand go here, and let's make the hour hand go here, and let's make the minute hand go here. Okay, so the short hand is the numbers on the inside. So the short hand right now is pointing to the 8. So that is the hour, 8. The minute hand is pointing to the 2, but we don't write 8, 2. We use the numbers on the outside. So since it's pointing to the 2, we know that that is 10 minutes. So right now the time on my clock is 8:10. Let's do another one. 9. Okay. The hour hand is pointing to the 9. So I just write the 9. And the long hand or the minute hand is pointing to the 3. So again, I have to count by 5s on the outside. 5, 10, 15. That's my minutes. It is 9:15. Let's try one more. I would like the hour hand to point here and the minute hand to point here. Uh-oh, those hands are very close to one another. But I think we can figure this out. First, let's start with the hour hand. Well, the hour hand we can see is pointing between the 10 and the 11. And if we remember, we always choose the smaller number. 10 is smaller than 11. So 10 is the hour. Now, the minute hand or the longer hand is pointing at the 11. So I have to count by 5s all the way around until I get to the 11. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. So the time right now is 10:55.